Are you starting to feel the subtle whispers of time in your joints? Or perhaps a nagging worry about losing your independence as you get older? What if I told you there's a simple, incredibly effective secret to not just maintaining, but boosting your strength, stability, and zest for life? A secret that doesn't involve expensive gym memberships, complex equipment, or grueling hour-long workouts. Imagine waking up each day feeling more energized, moving with greater ease, and confidently tackling any task, knowing your body is truly ready for anything life throws your way. If the thought of staying vibrant, active, and fully present for your golden years excites you, then you absolutely cannot afford to miss out on the incredible power of these 5 fundamental exercises. They are the bedrock of lasting vitality, designed to keep your body feeling younger, your joints moving happier, and your overall energy soaring, especially if you're over 60. Stick with us, because these foundational movements could genuinely transform your health and future, offering a path to independence and joy that's within everyone's reach. Let's dive right into the first cornerstone of lifelong strength, the plank. This deceptively simple exercise is a true powerhouse, working wonders for your entire body even if you've never tried it before. The plank engages your abdominal muscles, shoulders, back, and glutes. But its real magic lies in its ability to fortify your core, the central hub of all movement. Think about it. A strong core isn't just for looking good. It's the invisible support system that enables you to stand tall, get out of a chair effortlessly, bend down to pick something up without strain, and maintain impeccable balance in every step you take. To perform it correctly, begin by lying face down on the floor, then support your weight on your forearms, directly beneath your shoulders and your toes. Lift your body into a straight line from your head to your heels, making sure your hips don't sag and your rear isn't raised too high. Engage your stomach muscles as if bracing for a gentle poke, actively pulling your belly button towards your spine, and hold this stable position for 20 to 30 seconds. You'll immediately feel the muscles working, and with consistent practice, you'll be amazed at how quickly your strength improves. If the full plank feels too challenging at first, remember there are accessible modifications, such as the knee plank, where you keep your knees on the floor while maintaining a straight line from head to knees, or the side plank, which beautifully targets the oblique muscles along your waist, crucial for turning, twisting, and overall stability. The plank is more than just an exercise. It's a fundamental movement pattern that trains your body for safer, stronger, and more efficient movement in everyday life, which is paramount for everyone over 60. Next up, we have the chair-assisted hip hinge, a crucial movement for maintaining hip strength and mobility, which are non-negotiable for sustained activity and independence as you age. This exercise specifically teaches your body the proper way to bend using your powerful hip muscles, rather than placing unnecessary strain on your lower back. Consider it essential training for daily tasks, like effortlessly picking up a heavy grocery bag or tying your shoes without a second thought about your back. To master this, stand facing a sturdy chair with your feet about hip-width apart, ensuring a slight, soft bend in your knees. Initiate the movement by pushing your hips directly backward, imagining you're about to gently sit down, but stopping just before your rear touches the chair. As your hips move back, your upper body will naturally hinge forward slightly, all while keeping your back straight and your chest lifted. You should feel a gentle, comfortable stretch in your hamstrings. Once you've reached about a 45-degree forward hinge, powerfully push through your heels to return to a standing position, focusing on a slow, controlled motion throughout. For added awareness, placing your hands on your hips can help you feel the precise movement. As you become more comfortable and confident with the form, you can gradually increase the challenge by holding a light dumbbell or even a can of soup in each hand. This seemingly simple exercise is incredibly effective at safeguarding your lower back, building formidable strength in your hips and hamstrings, and instilling better movement patterns that will serve you well in every aspect of your daily life. Our third essential exercise is the wall push-up, a brilliant alternative that delivers all the benefits of traditional push-ups without the strain on your shoulders or wrists, which can often be a concern as we mature. There's no need to wrestle with the floor when you can build impressive upper body strength in your arms, shoulders, and chest right against a wall. It's an ideal upgrade that promises significant gains with zero discomfort. To begin, stand about an arm's length away from a sturdy wall, placing your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height, slightly wider than your shoulders. Maintain a perfectly straight line from the crown of your head down to your heels, avoiding any sagging in your belly or tilting of your hips. Slowly and with complete control, bend your elbows, allowing your chest to move towards the wall. Pause for a brief moment when you're closest, then with an even and deliberate push, return to your starting position. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions at a slow, focused pace. You'll feel a satisfying engagement in your chest, arms, and core, knowing you're training your body for practical, real-world strength, the kind that makes pushing open heavy doors or rising from a low chair feel effortless. As your strength grows, you can easily increase the intensity by moving your feet further away from the wall or eventually progressing to an incline push-up against a countertop or a sturdy table. This exercise puts you in complete control, allowing you to build upper body power safely and effectively, paving the way for more challenging variations if and when you feel ready. Then there's the horse stance, a movement that, despite its apparent simplicity, is a centuries-old martial arts powerhouse renowned for building comprehensive strength, balance, and unwavering focus. This ancient exercise is exceptionally beneficial for individuals over 60 because it meticulously strengthens the legs, glutes, and core without imposing any harsh impact on your joints or demanding rapid, jarring movements. Beyond physical strength, it significantly enhances your posture, refines your coordination, and even sharpens your mental concentration. If you've ever experienced moments of unsteadiness while walking or found yourself struggling to rise from a chair, the horse stance offers a profound solution. To perform this, stand tall with your feet spread wider than your shoulders, gently turning your toes outward to about a 30-degree angle. Slowly and deliberately bend your knees, lowering your hips as if you're about to sit halfway into a chair. It's crucial not to go too low initially. Start with a shallow squat, just enough to feel your leg muscles engage comfortably. Throughout the hold, keep your back straight, your chest proudly lifted, and your core gently engaged. Imagine someone is about to lightly poke you in the stomach. Hold this strong, stable position for 15 to 30 seconds, maintaining steady breathing and a relaxed demeanor, then slowly return to standing. As your stamina builds, gradually extend your hold time to 60 seconds. For an added challenge, you can hold a lightweight or even a book at chest level, or for extra support and confidence, position yourself near a wall or chair, lightly touching it with your fingertips to enhance your sense of balance. This isn't a race, it's about mindful, controlled strength building that pays dividends in daily stability and body awareness. Finally, we arrive at the dumbbell hip hinge, an exercise that might not possess the flashy appeal of some complex gym moves, but is undeniably one of the most critical movements you can master, especially as you age. It is the gold standard for teaching your body how to move safely and powerfully in everyday life, offering a superior and safer alternative to more dynamic exercises like kettlebell swings. The dumbbell hip hinge specifically targets and strengthens the vital muscles responsible for keeping you upright, steady, and strong: your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core. These are precisely the muscles you depend on daily to perform fundamental actions such as rising from a chair, climbing stairs, or bending over to pick something up from the floor without the risk of straining your back. To execute this, begin by standing tall with your feet about hip-width apart, holding a light dumbbell in both hands in front of your thighs. Maintain a soft, unlocked bend in your knees throughout the movement. Initiate by slowly pushing your hips backward, as if reaching your glutes towards a wall behind you. As your hips retreat, your upper body will naturally tip forward, but it's imperative to keep your back flat and your chest lifted for the entire duration. Lower the dumbbell along the front of your legs, aiming to stop around mid-shin or just below the knees, where you should feel a gentle stretch in the back of your legs. Pause briefly, then powerfully squeeze your glutes and drive through your heels to return to the starting standing position. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions, using either just your body weight or a very light dumbbell, and gradually increase reps or weight as your strength and confidence grow. This exercise is exceptional for those over 60 because it teaches your hips and core to work in harmonious concert, protecting your lower back, translating directly into real-life movements like lifting and walking, and significantly improving both posture and balance. It is a low-impact, joint-friendly movement that might seem quiet in its execution, but its long-term payoff in terms of strength, safety, and everyday confidence is immense. And there you have it, 5 simple yet incredibly powerful exercises that hold the key to unlocking years of sustained strength, impeccable balance, and unwavering independence. You truly don't need an expensive gym membership, an arsenal of fancy machines, or a lengthy, complicated routine. All it takes are these few intelligent moves, performed consistently and mindfully. Start at your own pace. Prioritize good form over speed or weight, and most importantly, remember that it is absolutely never too late to begin feeling better, moving better, and truly aging on your own terms. If you found this information valuable and empowering, please consider sharing it with a friend or loved one who could also benefit from reclaiming their vitality. We'll see you in the next one, ready to continue our journey towards a stronger, healthier you.